Let's go off the charts with Katie Stockton. Katie, what are we looking at?
I'm excited about crude oil. For the first time, we have on the DeMark indicators a counter-trend signal, and that means that we should see up to 9 weeks of stabilization. And you could imagine over the course of 9 weeks that we're likely to see crude oil, this is WTI on the generic futures, lift above its 50-day moving average, which is roughly $59 per barrel. It wouldn't take much. It could happen in a day. It could happen in 2 weeks. But when it does happen, we feel that that acts as a positive technical catalyst, generates additional momentum behind the stocks, behind crude oil itself, and solidifies what looks like the early stages of a potential turnaround. There is good support for crude oil. It's right around $55 per barrel. And so as long as that support level's intact and we have this counter-trend signal active, which it still is, I think there's hope that we see a little bit of a breakout. The objective from that would be about $68 per barrel over the intermediate term. And of course, there are companies that would stand to benefit from such a breakout. We've already seen some rotation to the benefit of the energy sector. The relative performance hasn't been great for the sector overall, but we have seen some of the individual stocks gain intermediate term upside momentum at a time when technology and other sectors are losing upside momentum. So that's intriguing to us. We know that the energy sector as a whole can act differently from the broader market. So especially for folks that think maybe the broader market is losing some steam here, energy might be a good option for them with this potential catalyst. So I'd highlight SLB is one chart to look at. We have a long-term turnaround that appears to be underway for that chart. So SLB has a base breakout following a long-term downtrend, and I think that acts as a nice catalyst. There's pullbacks underway right now in the sector, so I think within the next couple of weeks we'll have a nice entry point that brings support levels in line with resistance levels already having been cleared. Targa Resources, TRGP, would be another one to take a look at. This is a secular uptrend still, but within that context, we saw a cyclical down move, a basing phase, and a breakout there as well. Now that former resistance for Targa should become support going forward. We also like, Halliburton, ExxonMobil. There's a lot of names that to us are poised to benefit from that kind of breakout.